Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you on how to use yearly habit tracker template. Before we dive in, you can download this template given in a video description. After downloading this template, go to the file, click on make a copy. Give the file name and location where you want to save this file and click on make a copy. First, read the instruction given in a readme sheet. Now go to the flower sheet. Scroll down and head towards the month for which you are planning to track your habit. I will go to the January month box. Here you have the option to select the flower from the drop down. For now, I will select red flower. Now go to the January month sheet. Scroll down and enter the daily habit of your choice manually. I will enter the daily habit one by one. Now enter the target goal which you want to achieve throughout the month. Now do the same process for weekly habit. Scroll down and enter the habit of your choice manually. Now enter the goal. Here, once you accomplish your habit, then tick the checkbox for a particular day. Now do the same process for weekly habit. As you complete daily habit and weekly habit, check the completed goal, not completed goal, percentage of goal completed, and planned growth for daily habit. If you want to fully grow the plan daily, then complete 75% of daily habit, and for weekly, complete 40% of weekly habit. Observe the daily progress, monthly progress, and check the number of fully grown plant in a month. Here, you can also check number of goal completed, goals progress, current streak, and longest streak for individual. Check the weekly bar chart for goal, target, and goals. And finally, observe the number of plants you have grown from daily habit and weekly habit. Now, do the same process for rest of the month. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it and find it useful. For more details, please go to the link in description and feel free to reach out for any query. I wish you all the best in tracking your yearly habit.